Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile. We are going to create major scales in all keys. Major scales in all keys. We have only dealt with the C major scale. So here I have a table with these properties. The top, the left hand side, which is the top here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/1. These are degrees. And on this, there's a demarcation. We're going to put the extenders here in each major scale. So this is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not degrees, it's the number of extenders. The number of extenders. It could be the flats or the sharps. So we're going to see how we're going to do this. And here is the C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And it doesn't have any sharp or any flat, so we leave it like that. So we want to deal first with those numbers that have sharps. So what we do, we use this one here, which is called the cycle of fifths. Cycle of fifths is we count from the first degree to the fifth degree, and then we take that number, and that's the next key, like this one. The next key would be G. Then we put all the letters that are here, and then after putting all the letters that are existing already, we sharp the seventh. Okay, so this would be G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And the next step is to sharp this one here. Sharp it. So that's the G major scale there. Then we do the same thing. We count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next one is D. D. So we pick all the notes that are in this. That's the first step. It's D, E, F sharp. It's now F sharp. F sharp, G, A, B, C, D. Now you find that we are going to, the next step is to sharp the seventh here. So I put sharp, and then we count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next thing is A, and B, C, D, E, F sharp. Now you see that C is also sharp below there. So C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G, and A. Okay, so the seventh of A is G, so we sharp the seventh, and we count again A, B, C sharp, D, E. E is the next one, E, then F sharp, and G sharp. We're picking all the notes from the previous scale. F sharp, A, sorry, G sharp, A, B, C was already sharp, C, D, E. You can see that. So we have C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, C sharp. Now we have to sharp this seventh here. That's the rule number 2. And we count again E, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp. So B is our next. So we pick all the notes in there and then sharp the seventh. So B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, and B. Now we have to sharp this A here to create our major scale. Now we go to the next one. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth one is F sharp. F sharp. So we pick all the notes in the previous one, which is F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, D, E, and F sharp. Now to complete that, you gotta sharp this one here, sharp E. So that's your F sharp key. Now we count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C sharp is the next key. C sharp. Now we pick all the other notes that are in there. C sharp, D sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp. From G sharp we go to A sharp, B, and back to C sharp. Now to correct it to the major scale, we need to sharp that. Okay, it's gonna be B sharp there. So this is our first set of keys with sharps throughout. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here and do the keys with flats. So the rule now for keys with flats is we use this cycle of fourths. All we need to do is to, instead of counting 5, count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we pick this one, F. Then we write it as it is here. We write all the notes as they are here. That's step number 1. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now the next step is to flat the fourth. We flat the fourth. We flat it. Sorry, we put a B flat. So B flat there. The next thing is we count 1. Let's paint where we have actually come from. We can do that on later. F. So F, G, A, B. So we pick the B flat. B flat. We take all the notes in there. That'll be C, D, E, F, G, A, and B flat. No, B flat. Now the next step is to flat the E. We flat it like that. So that's the key of B flat. Now we take this E flat here. It comes here, E flat, F, G, A, B. Now that B is flat. It's a B flat then. B, C, D, E flat. Now, for us to get the correct formula here, we have to flat this one, the fourth. So we take the fourth and put it here. A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat, E, F, G, and A flat. Now we apply the same rule again. We flat this one here. D flat. After flatting D flat, we pick D flat as one that's the next key. D flat, E flat, D, E, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, look at that, C, C, and then we go D flat. So we apply the rule again, G flat here. Okay, so we take G flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G flat. And we have to flat this C here. C is flatted. Now we carry on, go to the next one, C flat. We count, because we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's C flat, D flat, E flat, F, G flat, G, A flat, B flat, back to C flat. Now we apply the rule, which is F flat here. Put F flat there. Now these are all our keys, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 keys that we are in. Now let's come here. We come to the key of C. It has no sharp at all, no sharp at all. So, or no flat. Then we come to this one. F has 1 flat. E flat has 2 flats. So the B flat has 2 flats, and E flat has 3 flats. B flat, flat, and flat. A flat has 4 flats. Flat, 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 flat. And D flat has 5 flats. Flat, 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 flat. And G flat has 6 flats. Flat, 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 flat. And C flat, which is the last one, in the flats, is 7 flats. Okay, now C major doesn't have any flat, and we go here. G major has one sharp, and we go to D has two flats. A major has three flats, three sharps, sorry. E major has four sharps. We're now dealing with sharps. And B major has four flats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it has five flats. Five flats. And F sharp has six flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, this one has gone into wrong place. So 6 flats there for F sharp. And C sharp has 7 sharps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we go. This is our cycle of fourths and cycle of fifths for all the major scales that we have, and you can use this to create your scales or your major scales in every scale that you have. Now, you can find out this one is easy. The first one is easy to grab because you have here, if you go to C, from C go to G. So the first up is C sharp and F sharp, and then you spell a word bid and G, bid G. Then you go to C, which has nothing, no sharp there. And down here you have F, and from the flats you also have the spelling of bid GC with flats, bid GC with flats. So that's how you can kind of memorize it, and your C is always in the middle there. So here is it, Fox. Here it is, Fox. These are the these are the number of accidentals in our major scales, and these are the major scales that we have. All in all, thank you very much. My name is Vukile. I will meet you in the next tutorial. Bye.